Okay, now we're getting into social studies for today, still in geography, still in maps, and if you look right here, you see a map of our local geography. I bet you can find out where we are. This is New Mexico, Arizona. We're kind of in this area here. This way goes to California, but if you zoom in, the thing about maps is you can look at a map from all kinds of different perspectives. There's the bigger perspective that'll help you see uh, everything in the area, and then there's the very local perspective, which will let you see, hold on, Sequoia Village School, uh, and just kind of everything that's around Sequoia Village. All right. So you're going to be reading in the textbook, The American Nation, starting on page 8, Maps and Map Making. I want you to read all through here. Um, Again, you're going to be reading until you get to the section 2 review, and then you're going to be answering that and turning it in with a Google Doc. All right? Pretty straightforward. Just read it, make sure you understand it, make sure that you have comprehension of it, and then go ahead and answer all the questions 1 through 8 on page 13 and turn it in. All right? Okay. Talk to you tomorrow.